guys, it's Hayley. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have a Roccabox beauty box subscription for you. We are going to open this and have a look what goodies we have for December box. So firstly, just to let you know how much Roccabox will cost you. So Roccabox offers some different ways in which you can pay. So I'll just go through them now. I have got them on my phone here. So if I look down, I'm just making sure I've got the right prices for you. So yeah, so you can pay monthly, which is month by month, you will be charged £10 and £3.95 postage and packaging. So including your postage, it's £13.95. If you wanted to take out a 3-month subscription, you would pay £30 and £3.95 postage. If you wanted a 6-month subscription, it would be £57 and £3.95 postage. And if you wanted a 12-month, it would be £108 with £3.95 postage. So obviously it brings down the actual cost of the monthly box, but you're paying it outright. I just do the monthly roll-in £10. It just comes out of my bank. What, £3.95 with the postage as well, so £13.95 in all. It comes out of my bank every month, and that's fine. I'm happy with that. So yeah, so that is how it comes this month. As always, standard pink packaging with your white Roccabox writing across. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. So, as always, if we open it up, we have our little quote of the month, which says, taking you on a journey of beauty discovery. And then we have the leaflet here, which obviously tells you a little bit about the products inside. So, this is how everything is packaged this month. Fun fact, I did just drop this on the floor and it is cracked. So please don't think this comes cracked. I have just dropped it. And everyone's just laughed at me. So yeah, because I am filming in a room full of husband and son. So yeah, so this is cracked. It hasn't come cracked, I did it. I own up to it. So anyway, let's have a little look at the products inside. It looks like a nice exciting box this month. I'm quite excited. So this is the Petite Skinny Dip Dry Shampoo. Sweet and charming. This is a full-size product. 200ml in there. And yeah, it's your typical dry shampoo. I don't use dry shampoo. I've got dry enough hair anyway, and I think it just dries it out a little bit more. So yeah, I don't use dry shampoo, but I'm sure somebody will in my house. So yeah, so that is the first product, a Petite Skinny Dip Dry Shampoo. Next we have, oh, let me just tell you, see if there's prices on here actually, so I can tell you how much things are. So yeah, so the dry shampoo would cost £2 if you was to buy it on Boots website, which is actually advertised on here. So next we have the Grace and Stella Meet Mud, your skin's new best friend. Face mask, Dead Sea Mud mask with 30ml in there. I've had a few Grace and Stella products before in beauty boxes, but I've never tried a mud mask from them. So this is the mud mask. Let's see what this one says. So this one says, towards the end of December, we always start to feel in need of a full body detox, our skin included, and that is where this skin loving mud mask comes into its own. Doubly powerful, it deeply cleanses and draws out impurities, while also pushing nutrients and minerals deep into the skin. The addition of gently exfoliating clay heals inflammation and acne, while fatty acids boost moisture levels. Basically, it's everything our thirsty, tired, slightly hungover complexions need by the end of Christmas. So that would normally cost £8. So that is that one. That one is a deluxe travel size. Next we have, we have the Balance Me Vitamin C Repair Serum. So this one again is deluxe travel size and it is in 7ml. I have had this before and I rinsed it to its very, very last drop. I absolutely loved this and I saw such a difference with it. It's just I had so much skincare to get through from subscription boxes and from stuff I'd already bought myself that I haven't repurchased this. So I'm really, really, really happy to have another one in one of my subscription boxes. I really enjoyed it. So this one says, Balance Me Vitamin C Repair Serum. More booze and less sleep is a recipe for disaster when it comes to your skin. this serum quite literally injects life back into a hungover complexion. Yep, it really does. The ultimate morning after skin remedy. It is full of hyaluronic acid to quench thirsty, dehydrated skin, while vitamin C replaces dullness with major glow. Plus the uplifting fragrance will pull you out of your post-party slump. So yeah, that's £10, and that is obviously the deluxe travel size. Yeah, I love this stuff, and I probably will go as far as saying I'll buy this when I need another serum. That'll be my next purchase, because I just enjoyed it so much. It was really, really nice. So yeah, so that's the next product. Really happy to see that in this box. Then we have the, oh yeah, there it is. We have the Bella Pierre Heatwave Highlighting Palette. So this is a highlighting face palette. Now, I'm not going to swatch these shades. This is how they look. And it's quite nice because there's a shade for every skin tone in there. So that's really, really good. I'm not going to swatch it because with products like this, I obviously have an awful lot of makeup and I purchase a lot of makeup all the time. So when I get products like this, I pop it in a little box, and I have a couple of girls that absolutely love makeup, and they are young and just getting into their makeup looks. So yeah, I pop it in a little box for them, and I give them a lot of makeup. So I'm going to pop that in one of the boxes. I'm not going to use it, I'm not going to swatch it. So yeah, so that is the next one. So that is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Heatwave Highlight Palette. 'Tis the season for our cheekbones to shine, our brow bones to gleam, and our lids to shimmer. So we naturally gravitate towards iridescent makeup palettes at this time of year. The 5 shimmering nudes in this Does Everything palette are equally as gorgeous, worn to highlight cheekbones as they are to brighten up peepers. Don't assume the natural shades only work for daytime. The colours are deeply pigmented, making them perfect for nighttime use. So yeah, that sounds absolutely lovely. So yeah, I think the person who is going to receive this will be very happy, and I think she'll be watching this video as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Lovely, it'll be coming in a box for you shortly. So that is that one. And then next we have the Smug Silk Luxury Sleep Mask. Now this is right up my street. I love sleep masks. I like to be in a dark room, and my husband is completely opposite and loves to have a light bedroom, likes to have the telly on while he's going to sleep, and I absolutely hate it. Drives me mad. So this is a nice sleep mask. It's gorgeous. It looks nice quality. I'm gonna get this out. Obviously I'll be keeping this. Oh yeah. So it's a nice silk sleep mask. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's from the Make Smug, and yeah, that is absolutely beautiful. It's quite thick, feels quite luxe. So yeah, I really like that. I like it when we have additions like this into boxes. We had a hair towel in one of them recently. I can't remember which subscription box that was, but obviously getting things like this is always a nice addition. So yeah, I'll be using that tonight. Can't wait. So this is the Smug Silk Luxury Sleep Mask. Sleep can fall by the wayside in December, so when we do get our Zeds, we really need them to count. This plush sleep mask not only blocks out the light, helping to make sure we get some decent quality beauty sleep, its silk material actually has moisturising properties to stop your skin drying out overnight. Utter genius. Wow, that sounds absolutely brilliant. Yeah, I love that, and I love the colour. Yeah, gonna look well attractive tonight when I've got this on my head. Can't wait. So yeah, that is the Roccabox for December. Absolutely love it. Probably my favourite subscription box for December. Right up my street. Some really nice products. Obviously I know I'm not keeping one of them, but that's not because it's not a nice product. That's just because I like to give little bits away that I'm not going to use. So yeah, so I'm really happy with that box. Can't wait to use all the products in it. Yeah, so that is that. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Just hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell to be notified of any future uploads. But until the next time, you take care. Mwah.